Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. Do you want to add page numbers to your Canva pages and you don't know how to do it? Well, worry not, we're here to help. First of all, open Canva on your desktop browser. Once it has opened, you just create a new project and we're here. On the left hand side, select the text. A new panel will open in which we will select add a little bit of body text. Now we just add the page number and position it to the bottom right. Now let's hit duplicate page. You can see that the page number is same for both pages. For this you need to manually change the page numbers. Double click on this and hit the next page number. Similarly, do it again for the number of pages you want. And that's how you do it, guys. That's how you add page numbers to Canva. For more informative videos like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.